How to sync AI flashcards across devices. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and make sure you are logged in with the same account you use on all your devices. This is important because syncing only works when you are signed in to the same profile. Next, create or update your flashcards as usual. All your progress, edits, and new sets are automatically saved to your account. You don't need to do anything extra. Knowt handles the syncing in the background. Now, if you want to access your flashcards on another device, simply install the Knowt app there and log in with the same account. Once you are signed in, your flashcards will appear just as they do on your main device. If you are not seeing updates right away, you can refresh the app by pulling down the library screen or making sure you are connected to the internet. Once the app syncs, all your flashcards will be updated and ready to use. With syncing enabled, you can study anywhere, switch between phone, tablet, or computer without losing progress. Your learning stays consistent across devices, making studying more flexible and convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.